In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Supermetrics to fetch YouTube data. Whether you're a content creator looking to delve deep into your analytics, or a marketer aiming to understand YouTube trends, Supermetrics is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals efficiently. First, head over to Supermetrics and locate the YouTube connector. Once you're logged into your Supermetrics dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Connectors section, where you'll find YouTube. This option is integral for accessing detailed analytics from your own YouTube channel. However, if your interest lies in publicly available statistics, such as competitor video stats, there's a separate connector called YouTube Public Data that caters to that specific need. When you select the connector, you'll be prompted to authenticate your access. This step requires you to log in using the Google or YouTube account that holds access to the channel you wish to analyze. It's really important to ensure that you choose the correct account, as this is how Supermetrics will gather the necessary data for you. During this process, you'll be asked to grant permissions. Making sure you allow the necessary permissions is crucial, as Supermetrics needs this access to read your YouTube analytics or any pertinent YouTube data. Rest assured, the platform is designed to securely handle this information. After you've successfully set up the connection, it's time to set up your query or report based on what you need. Start by selecting the metrics that are most relevant to your analysis. This can include crucial data points like views, watch time, likes, and subscribers gained. These metrics will give you a comprehensive understanding of how your content is performing over time, helping you identify trends and areas for improvement. With your metrics in place, the next step is to decide on the dimensions. Dimensions such as video, date, geography, and device can be selected to provide a more tailored view of your data. This allows you to break down your analytics in various ways, offering insights into how different segments of your audience are engaging with your content. To further refine your analysis, consider applying filters. Filters can be particularly useful if you're interested in specific videos or particular time periods and regions. This level of customization can help you pinpoint exact moments or areas that have a significant impact on your channel's performance. Overall, Supermetrics offers a versatile platform for extracting and analyzing YouTube data in a way that can be tailored to your specific needs and objectives. By thoughtfully selecting metrics, dimensions, and filters, you can create detailed reports that provide valuable insights into your YouTube channel's performance. Happy analyzing, and may your insights lead to even greater content creation success.